Welcome back to the channel. I'm Dian. Today we're going to talk about something that's everywhere but often overlooked: typography. Think about it. Every brand, every ad, every piece of packaging, and even the captions of your favorite social media posts all rely on typography. The fonts you choose tell a story, set the mood, and create an emotional connection with your audience. But here's the thing, not all fonts are created equal. Some fonts look professional and serious, while others feel playful and fun. Some also scream modern and sleek, while others bring a sense of nostalgia. That's exactly what we're diving into today. We're gonna break down font choices, what they mean, and how to use them effectively in your design. So, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned designer, stay around because this is going to be fun. Choosing the right fonts is more than just picking something that looks good. A well-thought-out font pairing can enhance readability, create balance, and strengthen your design's overall impact. Here are some essential tips to help you pair fonts effectively. First, contrast is key. When pairing fonts, contrast helps create visual interest and hierarchy. A good approach is to combine a bold display font with a simple sans serif or serif font. For example, a strong script or decorative typeface can be paired with a clean, minimalist sans serif. This contrast ensures you that your design remains both engaging and easy to read. Second, stick to 2 or 3 fonts. Using too many fonts can make a design feel chaotic and unbalanced. A common rule is to limit yourself to 2 or 3 fonts, one for headings, another for body text, and an optional third for accents. This method keeps the overall visual cohesive and professional. Next tip is to consider the mood and personality. Fonts evoke different emotions and styles. A modern sans serif conveys a sleek and contemporary feel, while a serif font can create a more classic and formal impression. If you're aiming for a fun and playful design, rounded or hand-drawn fonts may work best. Understanding the message you want to communicate will help you choose the right font combination. Lastly, maintain readability. No matter how visually appealing a font may be, readability should always come first. Avoid overly decorative or complex fonts for large bodies of text. Instead, use them sparingly for highlights or titles, while keeping the main content clear and easy to read. By applying these principles, you can create balanced font pairings that enhance both aesthetic and communication. Now, let's dive into how to choose, pair, and apply them into a real design. Okay, to make it easier for us to break down each of the details, we're gonna make a simple tutorial while explaining what we've talked about previously. And today, we're gonna make an apparel design tutorial for it. So, let's get it done. In this tutorial, we'll be using the Stay Enjoy font. It's a font duo from dinstudio.com designed to create a visual harmony in a design. The combination of thick sans serif font and solid, expressive brush script font makes it ideal for designing an apparel that showcases modernity, dynamism, and full energy. The sans serif font in the word Stay here brings a sense of firmness, stability, and legibility, while the brush script font in the word Enjoy gives a creative, more expressive touch to the design. Using this font pair will be perfect for clothes designs since it creates an appealing visual contrast while maintaining balance. When applied to clothing or merchandise designs, this combination provides a strong appeal, looks eye-catching, and has great legibility. In this design, we selected the Stay Enjoy brush font for Stay Calm to infuse an expressive and dynamic touch, reflecting a free-spirited handwriting style brimming with character. For Slurp On, we opted for the Stay Enjoy sans serif font. With its sturdy and solid appearance, it balances the design and ensures strong readability while maintaining visual harmony. For the color choice, red was selected for its aesthetic value and psychological impact. Red is strongly associated with food and appetite, making it an ideal choice for culinary-themed apparel. Psychologically, red can increase appetite and bring warmth, aligning with our Stay Calm, Slurp On concept that encourages people to enjoy the ramen in a relaxed manner. This combination ensures your design is not only visually appealing, but also evokes a strong emotional response from food enthusiasts. In apparel design, there are no strict rules for color selection. However, the chosen colors can significantly impact the vibe and emotion of the design. For instance, vibrant colors like red and yellow evoke energy and enthusiasm, while neutral colors like black and white offers flexibility and elegance. Understanding color psychology and how colors interact with design and fabric materials is essential to creating an effective and appealing look. And there you have it. We covered everything from typography basics to actually applying the fonts in an apparel design. You now know how to use the right font, pair it effectively, and use colors to enhance the theme. So, what do you think? Do you like it where we mix typography education with hands-on apparel design like this? Let me know in the comments. Also, if you find this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our future tutorials. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video, and happy designing!